Preston Studios the end of July, August 2020, and we established the studio in 1976, and we're still at work. We've got 3 projects going right here. We were just featured in Suntree Select magazine. Very nice little article. We're very pleased with that and thankful for it. This project right here is our pink magnolia lamp with butterflies. Our next project, commissioned work, is right here. And we're at present working on finishing up and soldering our current project right now. And you only start soldering after you cut every piece of glass out, ground it around the edges, and wrapped it with copper foil. So this is what we're up to right now, is our soldering. This is what holds it all together, holds the whole project together. And of course we solder the front side, which is what we're doing now, and then we solder the back side. Many, many hours of work.